1. Welcome to the video where we'll be discussing a topic that's been the subject of much debate and controversy for years: how the rich don't pay taxes. 2. It's a well-known fact that the wealthiest people in the world often pay a lower percentage of their income in taxes than the average person, and in this video, we're going to explore why that is. 3. We'll be looking at examples of how the system is rigged in favor of the rich, the loopholes they use to avoid paying taxes, and how this impacts society as a whole. Section 1. The problem with taxation. 1. The issue with taxation isn't necessarily that it exists, but rather how it's implemented. 2. Taxation is a necessary evil, as it's the primary way governments fund public services and infrastructure. 3. However, the burden of taxation often falls disproportionately on the middle and lower classes, who pay a higher percentage of their income in taxes than the wealthy. 4. This is because the tax code is complex and riddled with loopholes that the wealthy can exploit to their advantage. 5. We'll look at some examples of these loopholes, such as tax breaks for owning multiple properties, deductions for charitable donations, and loopholes in the estate tax. Section 2. Tax avoidance strategies. 1. The wealthy also use various strategies to avoid paying taxes altogether, or at least pay less than they should. 2. One strategy is to invest their money in tax-free municipal bonds, which are exempt from federal taxes and sometimes state taxes. 3. Another strategy is to create offshore accounts in countries with lower tax rates, allowing them to shelter their money from taxation. 4. Wealthy individuals may also use trusts to pass their assets down to their heirs while avoiding or minimizing estate taxes. 5. We'll look at some high-profile examples of these strategies, such as the Panama Papers scandal and the recent revelations about Donald Trump's tax returns. Section 3. Legal versus illegal tax avoidance. 1. It's important to note that not all tax avoidance strategies are illegal. 2. The wealthy can use legal means to reduce their tax liability, such as taking advantage of tax deductions and credits. 3. However, the line between legal and illegal tax avoidance can sometimes be blurred, and some strategies may cross that line. 4. We'll discuss the difference between legal and illegal tax avoidance and examine some cases where wealthy individuals have been accused of crossing that line. Section 4. The cost to society. 1. While the wealthy may benefit from avoiding taxes, the cost to society as a whole can be significant. 2. Tax revenue funds public services such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure, and when the wealthy don't pay their fair share, it can lead to cuts in these services. 3. In addition, the burden of taxation falls disproportionately on the middle and lower classes, leading to income inequality and social unrest. 4. We'll discuss the societal costs of tax avoidance and how they can impact us all. Section 5. Solutions. 1. So, what can be done to address the problem of the wealthy not paying their fair share in taxes? 2. One solution is to simplify the tax code, closing loopholes and making it harder for the wealthy to avoid paying taxes. 3. Another solution is to increase taxes on the wealthy, either by raising their income tax rates or implementing a wealth tax. 4. We'll look at some proposed solutions to this problem and the pros and cons of each approach. Conclusion. 1. In conclusion, the issue of the wealthy not paying their fair share in taxes is complex and multifaceted. 2. It's clear that the current system is rigged in favor of the wealthy, allowing them to avoid paying their fair share, which has a significant impact on society as a whole. 3. However, there are solutions that can be implemented to address this problem and create a fairer tax system. 4. It's up to us as citizens to push for change and hold our elected officials accountable for implementing these solutions. 5. By working together, we can create a tax system that is fair and equitable for everyone, regardless of their wealth or social status. 6. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has shed some light on the truth about how the rich don't pay taxes.